In a world of constant change, one thing is certain. The future is digital, flexible, and sustainable. At Schaeffler, we face new challenges every day. To become the leading motion technology company, we are innovative and globally connected. For our global production sites, we need a strategy that brings together our diverse competencies. Factory 2030.
Factory 2030 is not just about new facilities. It's much more about sharing and making individual knowledge available to all plants worldwide.
Through a brownfield approach, we optimize and upgrade existing plants for better performance without starting from scratch. It is also about the future. We're building new facilities that integrate the latest innovations, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. We ensure elementary standards to drive global performance. By defining and aligning global standards, we minimize risks, prevent failures, and solve operational challenges before they arise.
Our 9 fields of action are the baseline for tomorrow's production planning. With a vision as fast as our global presence, Factory 2030 connects our expertise across regions and divisions. To establish a guideline for all plants worldwide, we have developed a white book.
It serves as a roadmap for improving plant performance and builds the foundation for ensuring high quality and reliability across all production lines.
Factory 2030 brings our best practices to each and every corner of the world, empowering all plants to perform at their peak.